Oh, yep, right. New project. Let's see what it is. Yeah. So this is the new project. So see if we can do something nice about this. Okay, so let's take off some parts and check this thing out and see if I can make it live again, and then have some fun. Make it maybe look better. That'd be too hard, you know. Yeah, fun. Right, so got off some plastic, and now, yeah, see if there are any compression here. It is. Right, so to get any spark on this thing, I need to track all the wires first, because someone's been here hacking them up. So yeah, I can do that, and when I've sorted it out, I'll get back to you. Right. Yeah, well, there are some essential parts missing to get a spark, so I decided to just tear it apart and do other stuff until the ordered parts get here. Yeah, so dismantling. So now the rear is dismantled and cleaned. So I'm gonna paint it up and make it nice, and then take the front after that. Start in the back. So started to freshen up and paint some of the parts. So progress. Now I have come to the front suspension, and yeah, ready to tear that down. So yeah. Front suspension ready. So now I can see some progress. Right, frame is done. Up next is the engine. Here is the engines. I got two, so I'm gonna try to make one that works out of these two. We'll see how that goes. So I think I got lucky. I thought both the engines were 50cc, but it looks like one of them are a bit bigger. So that's nice. This one is 47, and I think this is the 50cc. That one is 40 millimeters. So sweet. Happy days. That means that this one is 70cc. So that's positive. Yay. Cool. So now the engine is cleaned and checked out, switched over some parts, and yeah, now the only thing remains is get the ordered parts and see if I can make it live again. So that's interesting. Yeah, so now I have got some new parts, new CDI and coil, and a new carburetor, new air filter, and gasket set. Waiting for some more small parts, but I can start now. So yeah, let's change some gaskets. Because I still wait for some parts, I'm gonna put the engine back in. So yeah, and then hopefully the rest of my parts come later today. now the engine is back in, so now it's just time to put stuff back together. So yeah, that's the plan. So now I have just hooked up the battery for the first time to see what happens. I'm sure everything isn't fine yet, but see what it is. So let's see what happened. Okay. The hazard. Let's see. Right. That's not on, but okay. The horn works. Starter doesn't work. Okay. More detective work done. Sweet. So, right. One step closer to something. So, watch out for the next episode. Maybe I can find out what's wrong. And yeah, be a good detective. See you soon.